Hello all, myself Christy Verghese. This is the book I have written for General Aptitude section, which is currently the bestseller book for CSIR Net Part A. And these are the other books I have written, and this is the details of the workshop I conduct for Vedic Mathematics. And if you want to get regular updates from me regarding my upcoming classes, you can be part of the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And my daily free classes happens in Unacademy profile Christy Verghese. And if you are new to Unacademy profile, you can use this invite code CC10 to access the free classes also. And in YouTube, if you want to attend all my previous free classes, General Aptitude with Christy Verghese, you can Google or YouTube, and you can see all the videos of all the classes I have taken in different YouTube channels. The question reads like this: two identical cube-shaped dice with each faces numbered 1 to 6 are rolled simultaneously. The probability that an even number is rolled out on each dice. It is a very simple question asked in GATE 2021. You just have to know basic definition of probability, that is number of successful outcome divided by number of possible outcome, and also fundamental principle of counting, which says if one thing can be done in m ways, another thing can be done in n ways, both the things together can be done in m into n ways. That means here first dice also you should get even number, probability of even number on the first dice, and probability of even number on the second dice also. And means you can multiply using fundamental principle of counting. What is the probability that the first dice is even? Either you can say 3 even number out of total 6 numbers, so 3 by 6, and this is 3 by 6, because here also 3 even number out of total 6 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 sides, there is 6 numbers. So 3 by 6 is 1 by 2, or 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 will be the answer. Otherwise this is not necessary actually. If you just logically think, even and odd are the only two possibility, both have equal chances. So even have half chance, odd have half chance. So even on first dice half chance, even on second dice half chance. So half into half, 1/4. This 3 by 6 step is not necessary if you are logically understanding it. So option D is the answer anyway. Hope this answered your question. Thank you. More details of my free classes and other resources I provide is given here. There is a mobile application, Christy's Classes, and there is Telegram group and WhatsApp group, which I told in the beginning. All the important links and all the important details of about the free classes and full courses are given in this slide. If you want to take Unacademy full subscription or plus subscription, this CC10 referral code can be used for taking plus subscription also, and to access the free classes also the same referral code can be used. And these are the two new full courses I have launched in Unacademy, one for General Aptitude, one for Basic Math and Vedic Mathematics. Both the courses you can access by a single Unacademy plus subscription with the referral code CC10. More details about my free classes are given in the description of this video. Thank you.